direct your attention to the back of the seatbelt sign, which is illuminated. When the captain has this sign on, we ask that you please remain in your seat with your seatbelt securely fastened. Once he feels it's safe for you to be up and about the cabin, he will turn that sign on for you. There are 3 lavatories located on this aircraft, 2 in the back of the plane, reserved for our main cabin passengers, and 1 in front of the aircraft, reserved for first class. We do ask that you use the lavatories located in your ticketed cabin, and please refrain from congregating around the lavatories and galleys. We would like to extend a warm welcome to our Mileage Plus members who will be earning valuable miles on today's flight. To become a member, please feel free to visit United.com to get yourself registered. We're proud to be a member of Star Alliance, offering our customers more destinations than any other alliance in the world. And once it's safe for the flight attendants to be up, we will be serving a variety of complimentary drinks as well as alcoholic beverages for purchase. In United Economy, a variety of snack boxes and treats are available for purchase. We'll also have bistro on board, freshly prepared meals, which are available for purchase as well. Refer to the back of the Hemispheres magazine for menu descriptions. We do accept most major debit and credit cards, including those with the Visa, MasterCard, Discover, or American Express logo, as well as the Mileage Plus Explorer Visa card.